is causing inflammation in the lining, because that lining peritoneum is kind of sensitive, and if you inject it, it can get inflamed, and that chemical peritonitis is probably what's causing animals to become sick and die. So all we did was we just changed the location of the injection. We started injecting into the skin rather than into the peritoneum of the abdominal lining. So rather than lifting the animal and turning them over and injecting into their belly, we started injecting in their back where there is skin, and the animals did fine, and the drug showed that it's working for the for the cancer, So that's sort of a simple example of intuitive knowledge in which I really could figure out why it was happening, But in that dream, I kind of had the feeling that something is not right with my belly, and my belly is sort of hurting, and that kind of started that epiphany, and that maybe that's what's happening with the animals as well. That when I inject, it's causing that peritonitis in there. Because I had a medical background, so I could correlate with these two things, And then behold, it was true. When we injected into the skin, the animals did fine, and the experiment was successful. So that's an example of intuitive knowledge. That's something simple that I think many people can relate to. That sometimes you have that extra sort of source of knowledge. You don't know where it's coming from, but it's true.